That's how we run things. That is the oil or the grease that keeps the NRM together.
You see.
But we've had the people now who have come because of this particular election. They find in the code and they say, don't waste your time, get off the race. Why are you talking to us like that? So this is our party. And we've been doing it before.
And it's your constitutional right.
It's our right.
All about it.
Why are you doing? Why do you have to have an opposed in NRM now than before?
I appreciate the debate is not about Wanyoto. The debate is about the speakership election. And my prediction is that the race is not fair to the other candidates. It will not be fair. I even predicted the number of votes. I said Ria can get like 2 votes. Wanyoto may get like 15. Tarsis may get like 40. Mao maximum would get like 70, and the rest goes to Anita. Now, if that hurts you, that's your problem. Because my head should work the way it is. And that is the essence of freedom of expression. Because the moment you want my head to work like your head, then you're worse than I mean. I should think the way
I think you have not got
I should
my
think
point.
the way I think.
My point was for you to belittle us to say we want to be seen to be minister. That's the only issue. The other is okay.
For that one,
my 15 votes I take in good
for
faith.
that one,
because I might even get 0.
For that one, I want to emphasize. In my opinion, you even deserve. No, I will not withdraw. You even deserve to be. You even deserve to be a prime minister. In my honest opinion, because I know you're a perfect human being and with a good heart. And honest and straight. But this one of the speaker is like you are going.
It's not the reason I'm in it.
It's like you are going to Masaka and you have 1 liter of fuel. You will not even reach change there.
That's not the issue.
So telling you that if it discomforts you.
No, that's not the issue. You are wrong.
I don't know. Yeah.
Because for all the years, we are free to express ourselves in our party. For you, a philosopher,
okay,
and an
still on the issue of the party.
And to say that we are in the race to be seen is not fair.
No. I did not say you are in the race to be seen. I said in the process of the race, you are going to catch the eye of the appointing authority because you are going to lose. If you are not going to lose, let us write it down here. We come back here in 6 months.
It has nothing to do with the cabinet. Yeah.
Okay, so the point we are saying it. For me, I wish you well in your speakership
but don't belittle us.
endeavors. Actually, I can even emphasize. If you win the speakership election, I'll ask for a rope and I hang myself in the nearest tree here.
No,
because you're not going to win. I will hang myself here.
You said those things a minute before. You said you are going to undress yourself and walk naked in a room if you didn't win.
No, that is Wanyoto. You see,
you told us
in Mbale,
don't swear.
In Mbale, people say you have suffered so much, 15 years of losing. People say no, Wanyoto has to go back to parliament.
Don't swear.
That was the overall feeling. I think it is about time you leave that sympathy vote of Mbale because the thing of the speakership is totally different. You first tell me one MP who is going to vote for you. No. Just tell me one.
No, but that's not
just tell me one now. Just one out of the 570.
You called me here to tell you how NRM operates. With all due respect, Honorable Odonga is not a member of the NRM.
And you even don't know NRM because the way you are talking, you are talking like you are in the bush. You don't know NRM.
For all the years we've had the speaker elections, NRM presents candidates. There have never been a single election of the speaker, and we don't get many candidates, including incumbents. So it doesn't matter even when I don't reach the ballot box. But that is the practice in our party. So, Honorable, you cannot deny us the practice of our party by allocating us, demoralizing us, allocating us votes. I may not even get reach the issue of the box, but that is the practice, and it has been there. It has been there. You can check. We are all.
So you are running because of the practice, not because you want to win.
No, but you are blocking the practice, and I'm telling you that it is there. It is the right, and that's how we do, and that's what has kept the NRM going.